Hello traders! In this video, I will tell you about the Pro mode in GTAPP. On our platform, we've always aimed to provide you with the maximum functionality and will continue improving it in the future. However, trading beginners are incredibly brave souls. They are fearless, to say the least. Huge leverage, lack of risk management, and blind faith in success, these factors have played a bad trick on many of them. This has resulted in partial or even complete loss of their deposits. That's why we decided to introduce the Pro mode. Pro mode acts as a safeguard against rookie mistakes. This mode prevents the total loss of your deposit. In case of fatal errors on your part, it will save over 90% of your deposit. Of course, this implies slightly lower profits. But remember the cardinal rule in trading: the one who remains in the trading game longer than others is the winner. Errors can happen to any trader, and 99% of fatal errors occur among beginners. Pro mode is turned off by default in each new strategy, and if you are just starting out or not very experienced in trading, my recommendation is not to enable it until you are ready. The goal of a trading novice is to learn to earn income, not to gain income. Earning income will be your focus for the rest of the time. If you encounter any difficulties while using the platform, remember that our support team will help you resolve any technical questions. Thank you for your attention. I hope this information will help you make the right decisions and achieve your financial goals in trading. I recommend watching these videos. They will help you better interact with the GTAPP platform, which in turn will lead to higher profits for you. I also kindly request you to subscribe to our channel and other social networks. You will find links to them in the description of this video.